I'm sure you guys have watched the previous lesson where we decided to use alternate strumming or picking in our playing. So let's talk about a technique that I was incorporating right now. It's called as a jab stroke. It's a very simple technique. What you have to do is just use the chubbier portion of your palm and gently smack it on the string. Just hit it. You just need to get the click sound. Make sure it comes on the downbeat. And okay, so what is a downbeat? When you're counting 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all your downbeat. So you can alternate, decide where you want to incorporate the jab stroke. So I was incorporating in between the changes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. So if you notice, it's coming on the second and fourth beat. So you can improvise, you can change it, you can make it your own. Don't feel shy to try new things. Trying is believing, and once you get results, you will not stop from playing. So to make it more interesting, let's see how we can incorporate the jab stroke with our alternate strumming. Small change of rhythm, small change in tempo, and suddenly sounds like a new theme or a song. So just make sure you end up motivating yourself before you to practice, and there's always new things to look forward to because you don't know what you can come up with while you're practicing, and that's the most important thing while you practice. Sit down with a lot of determination, saying this practice session is going to be productive. I've learned so many new techniques. I will incorporate them and have fun with it. So that is exactly what you're supposed to do. Do a small review and a recap of the previous 2 sessions and try and combine it. There are so many chords that we have covered. So in case if you've missed those chords, the link is given in the description. Just click on it, review the chords, come back to this video, take the techniques and have fun with it.